The next is a slightly challenging problem. Here the company is expected, the free cash flow is expected to grow at 15%. Okay. So the company is expected to, free cash flow is expected to grow at 15% per year for the next 3 years. So year 1 to 3 it will grow at 15% and then it will grow at 5% till eternity. The free cash flow is given of the just ended financial year, that is at t equal to 0 the free cash flow is 50 lakhs. Right. Now we have to compute the projected free cash flow for the next 4 years. So what is the free cash flow for the year 1? It will be 50 into 1 plus the high growth rate, because this we are going to drag, we will fix this. So it is 57.5 and then we will drag it for the next 3 years. For the year 4 it will be this into 1 plus 5%. Now we are interested in computation of the terminal value. So this is 1 free cash flow, 2 free cash flow, 3, 4 free cash flow. Here we are going to compute the terminal value. For the terminal value we have to get the free cash flow for the 5th year. Okay, so since we are computing here, it has to be the 5th year terminal free cash flow, which will be 79.85 into 1 plus 5%. That will be divided by the WACC minus the growth rate. So it will be free cash flow in 5th period divided by WACC minus the growth rate. So we'll compute, it will be equal to this into 1 plus 5% divided by WACC, which is 9% minus the constant growth rate. Right? So we have got 2095 as the terminal value. Right? Now what we are interested is in computation of the present value of this terminal value. So this terminal value computation will be this divided by 1 plus our WACC. It has to be discounted by WACC to the power 4. Right? And the present value of free cash flow will be NPV discounted at WACC, comma, all these cash flows. Right? So the value of the corporation operating activities will be present value of horizon value and present value of free cash flow. So that is the value of the operations. Okay. Now we have to compute the value of the company, which is the value of operations plus the value of marketable securities. So the total value will be this plus this. Okay. Minus the value of the debt. We have to compute the total debt of the company, which is the notes payable plus the long-term bond, and the value of the preferred stock we have to deduct. So the value will be this minus this minus this. This is the value of equity, and we know that the total number of shares are 40 and the price per share will be this by 40. So this is the value of per share using the free cash flow to the firm 2-stage model.